Hello friends. In this video, I will teach you parts of body vocabulary. Let's get started. Head, meaning the upper part of the body that contains the brain, eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. Example. Sentence, she wore a hat to protect her head from the sun. Eyes, meaning the organs that allow us to see. Example. Sentence, his eyes sparkled with excitement. Ears, meaning the organs that allow us to hear. Example. Sentence, she has small earrings in her ears. Nose, meaning the part of the face used for breathing and smelling. Example. Sentence, he has a cold and his nose is stuffy. Mouth, meaning the opening in the face used for eating, speaking, and breathing. Example. Sentence, she opened her mouth to speak. Teeth, meaning the hard white structures in the mouth used for biting and chewing. Example sentence, he brushed his teeth before going to bed. Tongue, meaning the muscular organ in the mouth used for tasting, swallowing, and speaking. Example, sentence, he stuck out her tongue playfully. Cheeks, meaning the soft parts of the face on each side below the eyes. Example sentence, his cheeks turned red from embarrassment. Chin, meaning the part of the face below the mouth. Example. Sentence, he rested his chin on his hand. Neck, meaning the part of the body that connects the head to the shoulders. Example. Sentence, she wore a necklace around her neck. Shoulders, meaning the parts of the body between the neck and the arms. Example. Sentence, he shrugged his shoulders. Arms, meaning the limbs on the upper part of the body used for lifting, holding, and moving things. Example. Sentence, he raised her arms to wave. Elbows, meaning the joints that connect the upper and lower parts of the arm. Example sentence, he leaned on his elbows while sitting. Hands, meaning the parts of the body at the end of the arms used for holding and touching things. Example sentence, she held the baby's hand gently. Fingers, meaning the long, thin parts of the hand used for holding, touching, and feeling things. Example sentence, he counted the money with his fingers. Thumbs, meaning the short, thick first digits of the hand used for grasping and holding. Example sentence, she gave a thumbs up to show approval. Chest, meaning the front part of the body between the neck and the abdomen. Example. Sentence, he felt a pain in his chest. Waist, meaning the narrow part of the body between the chest and hips. Example, sentence, she tied a belt around her waist. Legs, meaning the lower limbs of the body used for walking and standing. Example sentence, he ran as fast as his legs could carry him. Knees, meaning the joints between the upper and lower parts of the legs. Example, sentence, she fell and scraped her knees. Ankles, meaning the joints connecting the feet to the legs. Example sentence, he twisted his ankle while playing soccer. Feet, meaning the lower extremities used for standing and walking. Example. Sentence, she washed her feet after a long day. Toes, meaning the digits at the end of the feet. Example sentence, he wiggled his toes in the sand. Heels, meaning the back part of the foot below the ankle. Example sentence, she wore shoes with high heels. Wrists, meaning the joints connecting the hands to the arms. Example sentence, he wore a watch on his wrist. Lips, meaning the soft movable parts of the mouth used for speaking and eating. Example sentence, her lips were red from the cold. Gums, meaning the soft tissue that surrounds the teeth. Example sentence, he brushed his teeth and gums thoroughly. Jaw, meaning the lower part of the face that moves when eating or speaking. Example sentence, he clenched his jaw in anger. Eyelashes, meaning the short hairs that grow on the edges of the eyelids. Example sentence, her long eyelashes fluttered as she blinked. Forehead, meaning the part of the face above the eyebrows and below the hairline. Example sentence, she wiped the sweat from her forehead. Nostrils, meaning the two openings of the nose through which we breathe. Example sentence, he flared his nostrils when he was angry. Jawline, meaning the outline of the lower jaw, often noticeable in the side profile. Example sentence, she admired his strong jawline. Collarbone, meaning the long bone that runs horizontally between the shoulder and the neck. Example sentence, she has a delicate necklace resting on her collarbone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.